In today's video, let me show you how to create Instagram Reels. If you're trying to upload a reel on Instagram, whether you record it or edit it or not, let me show you the quick process. Open up the app of Instagram and then you just need to tap on the plus icon that you see on the bottom of the screen. Now once you're inside of this section, on the bottom you'll see a few options such as post, stories and reels. Just head over to the reels option. And then from here you'll be able to select a reel that you're trying to upload. Just tap on the gallery option on the left hand side and then pick the video that you're trying to upload. Now once you selected your video, you can add in different things such as add audio or stickers or even filters to this particular reel. If you head over to the edit video option on the left hand side, an editor will open up where you can manually edit all of the things that you need, and then tap on the blue icon on the top right. This is the section where you can add in captions or hashtags to your video or your reel. You can just add it in, and other than this you can tag people or add in your location. If you head over to the more options section, make sure that upload at highest quality is selected so that your video quality does not degrade. Once you added in everything else that you need, you can now tap on next. Once your video now has been uploaded, if you head over to the reel section, you'll be able to see the exact reel that you uploaded. You also have other few customizations. If you head over to the three dotted line, you can head over to the manage option and edit a few other settings such as turn off commenting or turning off the like count. So that was a quick process on the way that you can create Instagram Reels. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more informative videos just like this.